You own a picture framing company. One of the services you provide is attaching a 2-inch piece of matting around the outside of a picture. Again, matting. Matting, like you have a photo. Sometimes you see a photo with that really pretty blue or the really pretty gold or whatever piece of paper around it. That piece of paper around it is called matting. All right, so that's what we're doing here. You provide a 2-inch piece of matting around the outside of the picture. The image shows the dimensions of the matting if the width is 2 inches wide. So this is the matting right here. This is the matting right here. And it shows the width of it is 2 inches wide all the way around. Okay? So first of all, write a function w to model the width of the matting. I just spat on my tablet. The width of the matting, well, I got this part is x. Well, I got 2 over here. I also have 2 over here, so I got to add that. So x plus 2 plus 2. Here, I'll be a little bit over the top. So it's the width of x, that's the interior width, plus 2 on the left, plus 2 on the right. Well, that means w of x must equal x plus 4. Okay? Write a function h of x to model the height of the matting. Let me erase that real quick. Well, the height, well, they give us this interior piece, 1.5x. So 1.5x. And then remember there's 2 on the top that we have to add to it and 2 on the bottom that we have to do it. So it's plus 2 on the top, plus 2 on the bottom. Which again, you don't have to write all that part out. I'm just making sure everybody's following along with me. 1.5x plus 4. That would be the height. Okay? Letter C, write a function a of x to model the area of matting needed before cutting a hole in the picture. For the picture. Okay, so they're asking for the total area. So don't worry about the fact that there's going to be a hole. They want to know the entire area of this thing. They want to know the entire area, which area is base times height. That's a 4th grade equation. So the area of the rectangle, that's base times height, which in this case, your base would be your width times your height, which would be your h. So that's x plus 4 times 1.5x plus 4. Again, do you have to write all this out? No, but I'm just trying to show you exactly where I'm going with this. All right, so to multiply, we've got x plus 4 times 1.5x plus 4. So let me zoom in on this real quick. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times x is 4x. 1.5 times 4 is actually 6. And 1.5 times 1, that's 1.5 x squared. So that multiplies out to 1.5x squared plus 8x plus 16. That's just multiplying together, which I know I'm doing that fast because the actual act of multiplying it out, you should be getting good at by now. There we go. So keep moving, keep moving. Sorry if I'm giving you an epileptic seizure with this. So a of x, your area, is going to equal 1.5x squared plus 8x plus 16. Okay. How much matting would you need for an 8-inch wide photograph? Well, they want to know how much matting, what will be the area. So we want to know 8 of 8. Because remember your width, the width of the photograph with x was x. So here we go. 1.5 times 8 squared plus 8x, 8 times 8. Oh, come on. 8 times 8 plus 16. Well, that's 8 squared is 16, is 64. 64, half of 64 is 32. That's 66, that's 96. So 96 plus 64 plus 16. And I don't feel like doing that part in my head. 96 plus 64 plus 16. Nope, not 26. 96 plus 64 plus 16. I hate using my cell phone to do this. That equals 176 square inches. That would be the size of the matting you need. I know it feels like a lot, but it adds up quick.